Alex, this product is such a huge up-level from previous supplements.
It's a massive level. We're really excited for you guys to have this new product. In this little dual-chamber capsule, we've included 30 bioactive components of pre, pro, and postbiotics, and bacteriophages.
Wow, 4 times more species than in previous supplements that we've had. And I'm so excited about the addition of phages.
Yes, this new formulation of PB Restore makes it the market leader in the microbiome space. Thank you. We've included a new level of microbial diversity in this capsule.
I couldn't agree more, Alex. We are so looking forward to sharing and hearing from you today about this new supplement. I know that you can't wait to hear it. But there is so much to talk about around this supplement. Please join us in the expo later this afternoon. Alex, go get them.
Thanks, Dr. O. Your microbiome lives throughout your entire body, with the mother lode residing in the gut. And as you saw in the video just now, doTERRA PB Restore ProBiome Complex is designed with your whole body biome in mind. This foundational, holistic supplement is designed to benefit your systemic health in several ways, including digestive and gut barrier health, immune function, micronutrient synthesis and absorption, healthy metabolism, respiratory health, oral health, skin health, and more. Each PB Restore capsule offers you 18 billion active live cells, or colony-forming units, at the time of use, and 30 bioactive ingredients. If you've been taking our previous capsules, that's a 3-fold increase in potency and a 4-fold increase in strain diversity. Thank you. Now, let me show you what's inside this innovative dual-chamber capsule. You want your probiotics, the powder-like substance you see here, to survive the harsh environment of the stomach. It's an inhospitable place. And that's why they're encased in this time-release green inner capsule. That inner capsule is floating in a milky fluid, which is the prebiotic fiber, plus 1 strain of postbiotic and 4 phages, all encased in this clear outer capsule. This unique double-layer capsule technology protects the bioactive cultures and ensures your probiotics are not only alive when you take them, but they arrive alive in your gut. doTERRA PB Restore uses a tried and trusted encapsulation technology, ensuring the delivery of the 30 bioactive components at just the right time to the site of adhesion in your digestive system. So why is it important to be replenishing with PB Restore every day? As Dr. O explained, it's important to keep the balance of good bacteria in your microbiome, so we crowd out the unwanted microbes. But there's another reason too. Here's a simple equation I want you all to take away today. When probiotics, or your existing healthy gut bacteria, feed on prebiotics, they create the good stuff, the postbiotics, which are also known as metabolites. And these metabolites are delivering you a variety of health benefits, even after the transient probiotics have passed through the digestive tract. You've heard of short-chain fatty acids, bioavailable vitamins and amino acids, peptides, enzymes, neurotransmitters like GABA, serotonin, dopamine. These are all examples of the metabolites that are replenished by the probiotic bacteria in your microbiome. And prebiotic fiber is an important ingredient to help your microbial friends to do that. You see, when you take PB Restore each day, yes, you're crowding out the unwanted bacteria, but you're also supporting your microbiome to create these postbiotic metabolites. As Dr. O said, it's time to be proactive with your microbiome health. To help you do that and maximize the benefits to your health, we've formulated PB Restore with 4 key mechanisms: superior diversity of probiotic strains, prebiotics to fuel them, a postbiotic to create fast action benefits, and a blend of 4 phages for targeted action against unwanted bacteria. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to dive deeper into these 30 bioactive components and the formulation decisions behind PB Restore. Every strain you see here is backed by science. Now, Dr. O wasn't lying when he said you won't find another full-body microbiome supplement on the market with the credentials of PB Restore. This is unbelievable value for what we've packed into this dual-chamber capsule. And I urge you to compare PB Restore to what's out there in the marketplace. When you look closely, I know you'll feel confident that you're choosing the absolute best when you add PB Restore to your monthly order. The sad reality is that the probiotics market is increasingly difficult for the average consumer to navigate. From misleading CFU counts and single-strain supplements to celebrity functional doctors who tout multivitamins for the gut, but are lacking in value and even contain allergens. Beyond PB Restore's superior credentials on the label, what these other brands lack is you. Powerful educators who can help friends, neighbors, and family members to navigate these 5 simple ways to choose a quality microbiome supplement. I hope you'll join us in the ProBiome showcase area this afternoon to gather all of the information that you need to share this superior, cutting-edge, new PB Restore supplement with everyone you know. Now, my favorite part of developing these products is when they reach your homes, and I get to hear your stories with it. Let's please welcome to the stage 2 of our US Founder 2.0 wellness advocates, Danny Flynn and Eden Lee. Danny, Eden, thank you for being here. Now, you both got the chance to experience the whole body microbiome benefits from trying PB Restore for 60 days. I want to ask you, what are the health changes that you experienced that you were most surprised by?
Let me tell you, Alex, first, thank you, because I love all of my doTERRA supplements. They give me energy, they make me feel more alive, so my expectations were already really high with this new PB Restore. And still, I was very pleasantly surprised when the main thing that I noticed was my improved mood. We had a very stressful last couple of months, and top that with my 4 kids, a new puppy, homeschooling, and pushing for Founders 2.0. But still, PB Restore in my daily routine, I was shocked how my patience and calmness came so easy. My husband was also taking PB Restore with me, and he said the same thing. We were like, when's the last time we got mad at each other? The mental clarity is amazing and really helps me to be the best version of myself so I can show up for the people that need me most. I think we might need to add the tagline, happiness in a bottle, to the packaging.
Yeah, I agree, Eden. It kept me really calm, too. I'm so grateful. And we had some significant life stuff happening during that time. And naturally, I can just feel, on edge and easily overwhelmed when life is doing its thing. But while I was taking the PB Restore daily, I found that I was surprisingly calm and cool and in control, even in a really emotional time. So I was really impressed and very grateful. And I also saw some surprising changes to my skin. So I had some skin irritations on both of my arms for a few months. But after taking the PB Restore for 30 days, it was almost completely gone. But I gotta say, my favorite change was in my face. My skin was looking so flawless by the end of the 30 days, I stopped using my Instagram filters, and I'm no lie. And even my friends who see me, in person on the regular basis, they notice the difference. They say I look like I'm aging in reverse. So PB Restore will definitely be a part of my routine. So thank you, Alex.
That's awesome. You are both truly a testament to the fact that the microbiome is about so much more than just gut health. Thank you so much for being here and being part of this product launch. Thank you, Danny and Eden.
Thank you, Alex.
Now, What Eden and Danny didn't share is that we actually sent them 2 new ProBiome products. Would you like to hear about the big upgrades that we've made to our beloved PB stick packs? Now, get ready to enjoy the all-new doTERRA PBSS Plus sticks formulated for the whole family. Now, while doTERRA PB Restore is meant for your body's overall microbiome, PBSS Plus ProBiome Gut Complex provides targeted strains to support your family's gut and digestive health specifically. It's great for anyone in the family who has trouble swallowing pills. This little stick delivers double the number of strains when compared to our previous stick pack. Now, PBSS Plus combines the strains from our 2 previous products into 1 proprietary blend of 13 probiotic strains, plus the prebiotic fiber in this convenient little stick pack. You're welcome. Now, it's the perfect format for the whole family to enjoy. PBSS Plus ProBiome Gut Complex delivers 7 billion live, active cultures at the time of use. 1 stick a day delivers you and your family the comprehensive gut health benefits that the microbiome is most known for. And the 13 probiotic strains in PBSS Plus sticks are unique from those that are offered in the doTERRA PB Restore, delivering maximum strain diversity to anyone taking both products daily. Now, the other benefit is PBSS is so tasty. Kids and adults alike have told us how much they love the strawberry melon flavor. We know it's fun for the whole family to take PBSS Plus together. So in this upgrade, we've balanced the need for potency for adults with being absolutely safe for your kids as well. Enjoying PBSS Plus as a family is one of the easiest ways to promote healthy habits in your kids from an early age. And while we've dialed the sweetness down just a little bit, the strawberry melon flavor is a huge hit with all of the kids who've tried it. Do any of you want to try it? OK. Go ahead and grab the last sachet from your pouch. You can tip it right back into your mouth. Now, the 14 bioactive components in doTERRA PBSS Plus formulation deliver you and your family the powerful gut health benefits that are also backed by science. Come to the showcase to discover more. You can trust this new stick pack to deliver digestive health and immune system benefits, support a healthy inflammatory response, support the development of your kids' health, and much more. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's invite 2 incredible moms to the stage to share why they trust PBSS Plus sticks to support the health of their whole family. Please welcome to the stage Diamond Wellness Advocate and US Founder 2.0, Tatiana Grant, and please welcome back Emily Wright.
Are you so excited? Yes! I think as moms, we're very excited, right, Tatiana?
Yes.
And I know your 2 cute littles have just loved the PB Assist Junior. So what are you thinking about the new upgrades?
Well, I did have some questions in the beginning. I mean, the PB Assist Junior has been a favorite in our house for so many years. But I have to say, the PB Assist Plus sticks have been absolutely checking all the boxes for myself and my kids.
Yes, and I know you are a very picky box checker.
Yes.
She's very particular. I love these new sticks. I mean, who's excited about double the strains, right? 7 billion active live cells in one little stick. How cool is that? Now, when we first developed the PB Assist Junior, we formulated it with the littles in mind. Little did we know that it would become a crowd favorite amongst the adults and teenagers. How many of you are guilty of that? Yes. But there are a few ingredients in there that I didn't want to have, like maltodextrin. I love that that has been removed so that I can feel super good about having this be a whole family microbiome product. It's so amazing. So, Tatiana, how did your kids respond to the new flavor?
They loved it. And I have to say, it's not as sweet on the tongue, which I prefer, and they loved it just as much as before, if not better.
My grandkids feel the same way. My little Emmett, who is 4, and Quinsley, who's almost 2, are obsessed with this new product. In fact, Quinsley had downed 4 packs before I could get them away from her, so my daughter now has to put them clear up on the top shelf.
Yeah, there's been some fine negotiation tactics by my daughters as well.
And I think we captured a little bit of that in the video. So we're going to allow the kids in the house who love this product to really show you what they think about it. We've got your littles and my grandkids and a few other kids that have been able to test this product to show you what they think. Thank you, Tatiana, for trusting doTERRA products in your family.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Want some? Yummy. But it helps me digest my food way better. Helps your poops. Like one of those, some like sugar packets basically, but healthier. Yeah. I want another one right now. I eat it. We love PB Assist Plus.